हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक कि जो भी हम सोचते हैं या जो भी हम करते हैं एक साइकोलॉजिकल थिंकिंग उसके पीछे होती है. वेन एवर यू वी टॉक अबाउट बिहेव इन अ सर्टेन वे देयर इज some psychological fact behind it. The same apply in parenting. When we react, when we act, or our children are behaving in a different way, there is a psychology behind it. Sometimes we think that our children are stubborn, they are showing tantrum, they are not good behavior or something, but actually they might be seeking independence, they may be having emotional safety, they want to get some attention for something. And as a parents, it is our responsibility to understand these terms in deeply. It is not old kind of parenting because there are lots of information. Children are overwhelmed and they have lots of things to explore. So, how many of you wanted to learn psychological fact behind the child behavior? बहुत सारे लोगों को ये अंडरस्टैंड करने की ज़रूरत है कि मेरा बच्चा इस तरह से बिहेव क्यों करता है या मैं इस तरह से बिहेव क्यों करती हूँ. नॉट ओनली न्यू पेरेंट्स, नॉट ओनली द पेरेंट्स ऑफ टीनेजर, टॉडलर, but any age parents, because every stage of life has different challenges and we need to understand that. So in my upcoming parenting series, I am making a psychology series where I'll tell you with the fact why children behave like this, what is the psychology behind it, and what kind of mistake we are making unknowingly. We even don't know that we as a parents are making mistake, and simple way to navigate everyday's problem so that you and your child has a right kind of relationship, not that you even don't know your child and your children are saying I don't like my parents because they give lots of restriction, they have lots of restriction, और मुझे ये नहीं करने देते, वो नहीं करने देते, and they will become silent, slamming the door, they will stop talking to you, and there are certain kind of tantrum which parents are facing. They start lying, they will think that you are dumb, you don't know how to use technology, they try to behave with you, and later sometime they start fighting with you also, and publicly also they insult you. If you want a different kind of children, those who understand all these things, how it works, why we should not behave like that, and this will not happen very late, this will happen in the early age of your child, 1 to 10 year. But if you are a parents of adult child, you can also watch this series. Follow me for more. And